there are a few deceptively similar phonemes in Sicilian if you already know some Italian. Um, they have a common origin with Italian from late Latin, but they can look like you're supposed to say them like Italian, but in fact, they have really different pronunciations. So the first one is the CI, which in Italian would be chi, or in Spanish, si or thi. In Sicilian is sh. Like, for example, the actual word sicilia or sicilianu is written with this letter. So it's more like a sh. The second would be TR, which is a really distinctive part of Sicilian. And it's kind of like the TR in the word tree in English. So you put your tongue just a little bit back. So like the word four in Sicilian is quattru, quattru. And you can hear it just a little bit different from tree, but if you say tree, people will understand what you mean. The next one would be the sound double D. Now this comes from Latin, double L, and in Italian would just be L, or in Spanish it became y. But in Sicilian, it has three different ways to be said, depending on where you are. There's a form that's just d, a lot like the English de or the Italian de. There's a retroflex version of that, the d. And there's my version, which is from Agrigento and Western Caltanissetta, which is dr. So a word, for example, would be iddu or beddu. You have this really distinctive sound. And finally, let's see, what did I miss? These two are pretty cool. So the letter J in Sicilian orthography is a y, like a Y sound. But it can also morph after certain vowels, and it makes a distinctive sound in a lot of dialects. It's usually written as GH or GGH, and it's g, like a common expression you hear this in is 3 days, ghiorna, and or megghiu. So you hear it, it's a little different than the Italian equivalent. So I hope that helps a little bit. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.